Hello guys, welcome to Certified YouTuber. In this video, we are gonna be dropped the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Let's see what happened. But first, let's unbox the phone from the box. Here you can see the predecessor looking phone right here. Let's unbox the packaging. You can see, wow guys, looks fantastic guys. Let's go now. Let's go to the open fields and hang it to a drone. And now let's see what happens. So we're here. Let's hang the phone. Let's go to the top from the ground. Here we are at the 1 cam height from the ground. Now let's do it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go guys! We don't know what is gonna be happening on this phone. Let's come closer. Okay guys, let's go to my home and see and clear up everything and see what happened to this phone. Here you can see the final results guys. The phone is completely shadows from the front and the back, but I think the phone is still working fine. It's completely unexpected. Just like phone, this type of phone can survive this drop, but this Samsung has done very wonderful job with this phone. This is completely new technology, but we really appreciate the efforts done by the Samsung. Huge thanks to Samsung to sponsor this video. Guys, subscribe my YouTube channel, like this video, and comment down below what you like about the Samsung Galaxy Fold 5G. Now we are also doing a giveaway of this phone. To enter this giveaway, you must follow all the steps written in the description. Follow the steps and get a chance to win this Samsung Galaxy Fold 5G. Thanks for watching.